Welcome to Flash Tutorial Request 9 Timer. I'm starting a new FLA, keeping the action script 3. Start by call this layer square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. Insert a layer. Call this one ball, B-A-L-L. Insert another one. Call this one star. Now there's many places where you could use a timer. The one we're going to use for this tutorial will be to delay something. We're going to have a frame. There's going to be a picture on that frame, and after so many seconds that will be timed, it'll go to the next frame. After so many seconds, it'll go to the next frame. You could also use this timer for a game, so that you set so much time to allow the person to accomplish something, and if they don't, then the timer will time up and you could jump to a frame saying you lose or something like that. So let's start off by locking all the layers. Unlock the square layer, select frame 1, and on your stage pick up your square, your rectangle tool, hold the shift down, draw a square. Lock that one. Unlock the ball layer, select frame 2, insert a blank keyframe, and pick up the oval tool and draw a circle holding your shift down. Lock that layer, unlock the star layer, select the third frame, insert a blank keyframe, and now we're going to pick the poly star tool right here. While it's selected, open the properties panel. Under options, usually polygon comes up the first time. Select star, keeping 5 sides. 0.5 is the size of my points. Holding my shift down, I'm making a star. Now select the top layer, insert a layer, call this one frame label, F-R-M-L-A-B, frame labels. Select the second frame, insert a blank keyframe. Select the third frame, insert a blank keyframe. Now on the second frame of this frame's label, select it. You can see I have a ball. So over here, open your properties panel. You see label. This is the frame. Let's call this ball, B-A-L-L. That's the name and when I hit enter, you'll see a little flag come in here. Tell me I gave this frame a name. Select this one. Come over to properties panel, star, S-T-A-R. Again, when I hit enter, a little flag appears. And if I ran this, all we'd see is them flickering through those 3 frames. Make sure all the layers are locked. Select the top layer, insert a layer, call this action script, AS. Select the first frame, open the actions panel, and type in this code. Type. And it starts off stop, S-T-O-P, all small letters, turns blue. Open close bracket semicolon, so it's going to stop on this frame. And here's this delay, this timer we're talking about. We're going to make a timer, and that timer is going to time for 5 seconds and then automatically go to the next frame. So we're going to start by creating a new variable, VAR, turns purple. Delay, I'm just calling it delay. Call it anything you want as long as it doesn't turn any color other than black. Colon, and it's going to be a timer, capital T-I-M-E-R. That turns blue. And this is just making a spot, and we're just picking a spot on the computer and saying use you as a timer. Equals new, N-E-W, turns the same color as variable, purple. Space, timer, T-I-M-E-R, capital T. Open bracket, and these timers count in milliseconds. So I have, which is 1/1000th of a second, I have 5 1000 milliseconds, so this is a 5-second timer. Close bracket, semicolon, so that's the name of the variable. Now we got to call it up, so delay, that's that same name, period. Add event listener, small a, capital E, capital L, turns blue. Open bracket, this is the syntax for that timer. Timer event, capital T, capital E, that turns blue, period. TIMER, all uppercase, all capitals, comma, and I'm calling my function time is up, capital T, capital I, capital U. Again, any name you want as long as it doesn't turn colors. Close bracket, semicolon, and this is the actual thing that says start this delay, start this timer. So delay, D-E-L-A-Y, that's the variable, period. Start, S-T-A-R-T, turns blue, small s, open close bracket, semicolon. You could have this activated by something hitting something, or by a button, or by any kind of an event you want, but we're just directly calling it up. And here is the function that we're going to be doing when the time is up, when this 5 seconds has passed. Function, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N, time is up, that's this same word up here, you can copy it and paste it. Open bracket, E, colon, it's a timer event, T-I-M-E-R-E-V-E-N-T, capital T, capital E, turns blue. Close bracket, colon void. There's the open curly bracket for the function. There's the closed curly bracket for the function. And inside of these two brackets, we're saying go to and stop. Small g, small t, capital A, capital S. And where are we going to go to? We're going to go to the second frame, which we gave the name ball. So open bracket, and in quotation, capital B-A-L-L, close quotation, close bracket, semicolon, and that's your closed curly bracket. And this ball, where we're going to and stop, is this frame right here. If I click on this frame labels and look, that's that ball. So this, we should start off by seeing the square, and then 5 seconds later jump to this one here. So before we try that, I just want to make this second frame a blank keyframe, and let's just test this. Oops. And let's test this to see what happens. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and it jumped. So go back to the actions layer, frame 1, right click, select all, right click, copy, go back to the main timeline. Let's make this a blank keyframe here. So we have 2 blank keyframes. Let's select the second frame of our action script, open the actions panel, paste it in. The stop we can keep, but we got to come up with new names. So I'm just going to add 2's here. So it will be delay 2 here, make it delay 2, make this delay 2, and make this timer up 2, and make this one timer is up 2, and instead of going to ball, we're going to the next frame, which is star, S-T-A-R, and let's make this 10,000, so we'll be here for 10 seconds just to show you that we can change that. Control, test movie, test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close enough. Let's put this back to 2 seconds so it can go faster. Right click, let's select all this. Right click, let's copy it. And go back to main timeline, this third frame. Paste it in. And naturally we're going to make this delay 3. delay 3, delay 3, time is up 3, 3, and here I'm just going to put a 1 as in frame 1. Let's test this out. Okay, I got some duplicate definition. It says on frame 3 line 8 I have a duplicate frame 3 line 8. Oh, right there I didn't change this. I must have missed it or hit 2 again. Okay, control test movie test. Stays here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here for 2. Here for 2. Now you see how that's going fast? Because it's just now jumping from frame to frame because we haven't reset those timers. So now let's go and reset those timers so this can happen again. I'm back on the main timeline. I'm selecting layer 1 actions layer, frame 1, and when this time is up and we tell it to go to here, just before that I'm going to insert and paste in, type in this code, type, and it says that variable delay, DELAY, period, reset, turns blue, open close bracket, semicolon. Copy that, right click, copy it, go to frame 2, right here, paste it in, and make it delay 2. Back to the main timeline, 3rd frame, paste it in here, and delay 3. Now it should reset itself, so in every case we're going to have a delay. And remember, the first one's 5 seconds and the other 2 are 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 each. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 each. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learned.